Yes! Woo! Idol ko yan.
Nagsukat ang puso isipan, manalig na hindi man ikaw sa piling. Magsasabot sa dalalim, huwag kang matakot, huwag mabahala. Huwag mabahala kung pupusan ang pagsubok may dahilan. Minsan walang kasagutan sa gitna ng oras, pangako ay di
Sino pa?
Nasasaktan, nagdaramdam, pagkatatag at maniwala. Sasabihin kita sa gitna ng ngayon. Pilit ka sa gitna. Tito Ogs, Tito Gary, maraming salamat po for being part of my 10th anniversary concert. Grabe po, kayo po talaga ilan sa mga taong bata pa lang ako. I've been watching you guys. Isa po kayo sa mga inspirasyon ko. Sa lahat, maraming salamat Tito Ogs. Nakikita niyo po, napaka-flingy talaga namin. Pero, hindi po talaga ako nagkamali sa mga iniidolo. You know, you've inspired a lot of us, not just here in the music industry, but also in my personal life. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for being an inspiration.
You know, I think that at this point, Darren, you're standing on this stage, and you are the inspiration for many of these.
Yes.
Many of these people.
Tingnan mo naman. Grabe ang tangkad yung tatlo, no? Nakita ko rin eh. Yan mo, Darren, nalulula ako. Nalulula ako doon sa taas. Kapag nalulula ako sa dami ng nagmamahal sa'yo. Sobra.
Grabe. Grabe. Darren, I just have to say, thank you for not calling me Tito. Maraming salamat dahil Kuya lang.
Tito Eric, Tito Gary, Kuya Ogie.
Next time po.
Huwag nating binabago ang script, Kuya. Hindi. Alam mo, everybody with me na you are the best male performer of your generation.
Ow!
You are.
Salamat.
Tama, di ba? Kaya, alam mo, ang advice ko lang sa'yo is to just continue to hold your craft, continue to love the people who love you. Ang dami-dami nila, grabe. And continue to love what you do. And you will go places even more.
Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations.
Ako,
Thank you so much.
ako gusto ko paglaki ko. Nakakatawa yun? Gusto ko maging katulad mo, Darren. You're such a good person. You're so humble. You're so hardworking. Napakasipag mo nito. Napaka-generous. Keep being the way you are. We love you, Darren. We
Thank you
love
po.
you.
Salamat Tito Ogs.
You know, I think one of the most important things tonight is that kaya nandito silang lahat dahil maliban sa pagiging extremely good looking,
Wow!
I think more than that is
Mana
that
po sa inyong
nararamdaman
tatlo. Mana po ako sa inyong
Mabuti, alam mo. Ganun talaga.
Banda rito eh, banda rito.
Banda dito naman tayo. Dito naman tayo sa kanilang lahat eh. No, what I want to say is that I think one big reason why people love you and people of all ages are here tonight. But it's because of this, Darren. It's your sincerity, it's your authenticity sa ginagawa mo on stage. And that's not easy to come by nowadays. You are not here to impress people, you are here to just express what's in your heart. At parang nadadama nilang lahat yan. I've been around for 40 years, and you're around for 10 years. I'm hoping I can still be around on your 40th year.
Wow! Oo naman po, Tito
Because
Gary.
you're still going to be strong, if not even stronger than you are today.
Thank you po.
So
Maraming
proud of you talaga.
Thank you po. Really means so much. I would have never imagined again na, syempre, I'd be on the stage with all three of you. It means so much. Maraming salamat po ulit from the bottom of my heart for saying yes to being a part of my 10 years, for celebrating it with me here tonight. Thank you po. Okay.
You're very
Congrats,
good.
Darren.
Salamat po. Ayan, Araneta! Once again, give it up for Mr. Eric Santos. Thank you! Mr. Augie Alcacid! And Mr. Gary Valenciano! Maraming salamat po. Thank you guys so much.
Congrats, Darren.
Thank you.